Can you believe I rode past this? I'm out shooting some footage for a new YouTube video, and I guess I had my head in the clouds and just rode right on past here and ended up at the stop plank crane in Broadheath. So this is the Bridgewater Canal in Broadheath. There are lots of Wicked Acorn YouTube videos about the canal, so check that out. But I haven't shown you video of the stop plank crane in Broadheath. There's plenty of the one by the Sail Bridge. There's even a whole video about it, so check the description for a link. These hang cranes were and are used to hoist giant timbers into these slots so the canal can be sectioned off for maintenance or in the event of a breach, such as the one at Dunham Massey in 1971 and another one at Castlefield in 2005. If you can't really picture how that works, here's a shot of the stop plank crane near the Barton swing aqueduct with the stop planks in place. This was when they were doing annual maintenance on the swing aqueduct, and there's a video about that too. But the video I'm working on is about the engine house of the Linotype works in Broadheath. You see, they tore it down a while ago and kept all the bits, and now they're putting it back. There are several videos about Linotype and what went on here. But just take note of this structure. It's the base of the chimney. It was nearly 200 feet high and dominated the landscape. Now, if you follow this channel, you may have seen this one before, but in all the times I've looked at it, I've never noticed that at some point they changed the lettering on the office building. These little blue flags mark the position of air raid shelters. One of our subscribers told me they made wings for hurricanes here during the war. Now that'll make you a target for the Luftwaffe. And I never noticed this structure before either. I think it's something to do with lawn bowling. The photo is from 1950. Someone must remember it. But this is what I wanted to show you today, the Broadheath Blockade. Several have asked me to look into it, and this is what I've found. This is Andrew Curtis Sparks, a local farmer and property developer. He was the chairman of the National Farmers Union Insurance. He owned Park Farm on Gorsey Lane. The fields ran down to the canal. In 1895, he sold some of his land next to the canal to the Linotype Company to build their factory along with affordable rented housing and outdoor sports facilities for their workers. Sparks still required access over the land to move building materials for his own developments, but the Linotype Company refused him permission. In 1905, he blockaded the Linotype to try to prevent further expansion of the estate. He dug a trench and parked wagons across the track used by the Linotype to move machines out to Manchester Road. Linotype took him to High Court and won. The Manchester Courier reported on Tuesday, 6th of June 1905, that after 3 months, the blockade of a road leading to the Linotype works at Broadheath was raised yesterday. Anyway, as I said, I'm shooting some footage for a YouTube video. And if you want to look at our YouTube channel, it's called Wicked Acorn. So just pop over there, because I can't put a link, because when you put links on Facebook and other social media sites, they don't like to share the post around when there's an external link, because you're supposed to stay here. You're supposed to stay here, wherever here is. So don't stay here. Go to Wicked Acorn on YouTube.